Okay, the graph of y equals f of x is shown here. We want to find values of f of x for when the input is 0, when the input is 3, and when the input is 6. So, the first thing we want to do is find when we have f of 0. So when we have 0 as our input, we want to figure out, okay, what is our output? So what that means is that x is equal to 0. So let's go on our x-axis and then we can see where 0 is located. And now we need to point to the direction of the graph and find out where does it touch from 0 to the graph. Well, it's going to touch right here. So therefore, that output, meaning is, what is this ordered pair? Well, that means that this is 0 and -1, which means that the output is going to be -1 for when x is 0. Okay, let's try the next one. The next one, our input is going to be 3. So that means we want to go on the x-axis because that's what x is representing, which is 3. And then we want to go to where the graph is located, which is there. So if you notice, the ordered pair is x is 3 and the y value is 1, which is the input and output. So we have an input of 3 and an output of 1. So therefore, the output is going to be 1. Next, we have f of 6. Okay, so we want to find out on the x-axis where 6 is located for x, and there it is. And then we want to go all the way up to the graph and where it hits the graph, and we can see that the output's going to be 3. So the ordered pair is going to be 6, 3. So that means the output is going to be 3. So the answer here is